guess this sound. Guys, look at this! I brought my cool parrot. His name is George. He can copy all sounds.
That's so cool! How does it copy sounds?
Watch closely. Starting from now, match what sound George makes.
A frog! That's the sound of a frog. Wow! He can make the sound of a frog?
He can do other ones too. Do another sound, George.
Wow! That's a phone ringing. So cool.
What do you think? Awesome, right? Then how about playing a sound matching game with George?
All right, cool. I got it. It's the sound of a car horn. It's totally the same. Wheel, wheel, wheel. This is the sound of an ambulance.
You guys are amazing! Isn't George amazing too? Right, George? Carrie, stupid. Carrie, stupid.
What? What did he just say?
Carrie, stupid. Carrie, stupid. I wasn't sure, but I didn't think he'd copy that too. Copy me, George. Carrie, stupid. Review time.
A frog! Frog! That's a phone ringing. Phone ringing. It's the sound of a car horn. Car horn. This is the sound of an ambulance. Ambulance.
Acting English.
Sleep makes me so happy. What's that sound? I hear a siren. What's that sound? It's a police car. Police car. That siren is a police car siren. Whew. There's another siren. Ah, it's that sound. It's that sound. It's an ambulance. Ambulance. That siren is an ambulance siren. Whew. It's really time to sleep. Oh, that's so noisy. Oh, so noisy. What is that sound? That sound. It's a fire truck. It's a fire truck. That siren is a fire truck siren. I can finally sleep now. Whoa!